our condensing cooling unit. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, for a length of 16.5 inches. In the depth of the base, we have 19.75 inches. Overall height, we have 10.75 inches tall. Height applies from the bottom towards the top of the box. Coming to the front, we have the compressor. And right next to the compressor, we have the capillary tube, along with the defrost tube that's hooked up to the receiver in the back. Back of the compressor, we have the breaker along with the starting components. And on the bottom will be additional wires that's required to hook up this cooling unit. Located on the back will be the box containing the condensing fan with the motor mounted on the center. Going to the back of the fan, we have the filter, with the filter measuring 14.25 inches in length by 10.25 inches in height. Located on top of the box will be a sticker containing additional information along with the 115 voltage required to run this cooling unit. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.